guys, it's been a while, but I am back for spooky season. For this look, I started by spraying my hair a lovely shade of green. I based out my face and neck with a thin coat of a white foundation. Then I highlighted my face with a white cream makeup. I set my face and neck with powder. I used a cool tone grayish-brown eyeshadow to contour my face. It's time for I applied tape near my eyes, then started defining my crease with a berry eyeshadow. I darkened my crease with a slightly darker berry eyeshadow. I used the berry eyeshadows to smoke out my lower lash line as well. I used a deep plum eyeshadow to really darken my crease for a sunken-in, grungy look. I applied a metallic purple shadow to my lids using my finger. And I popped a metallic pink eyeshadow in my inner corners. I filled in my eyebrows with green eyeshadow. I pursed my lips and brushed a purple eyeshadow over top to exaggerate the lines in them. It's time for For the gross, mossy mold gunk, I stippled layers of green body paint around my face and neck. I started with a light green, then applied a layer of a dark green, then added a different light green body paint over that so there'd be a lot of texture within the gunk. I added a bit of winged liner to define my upper lash line. And for a really tired, worn out look, I slightly shaded the lower inner part of my eye socket with a purple eyeshadow. My teeth were looking a bit too clean for this look, so I applied some tooth lacquer in a nicotine shade. And here's the final look. It's really quick and easy and would be great for a Halloween party. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you'd like to see some pictures of the final look, head on over to my Instagram. As always, the music and products used will be listed in the description. Congratulations, you have made it to my end screen. Click that top link to check out last year's Halloween videos, or click that bottom link to check out a video YouTube's robots think you'll like. If you want to become a member of the Potato Patch, click that little circle with my face in it to subscribe. And if you want to make sure you don't miss a single video from me in the future, click that little bell to turn on post notifications.